Welcome friends, in this session we are going to see sixth program of deep learning and reinforcement learning. The problem statement is design and implement a deep learning network for forecasting time series data. Let's open VTU circle, sixth program. So here the models required are NumPy, scikit-learn, TensorFlow. Just copy this command, open command prompt, paste the command, enter. Already satisfied, so just close it and open ideally. And click on file, new file. Then copy this code and just open ideally and paste it here. Then click Ctrl+S to save. I am saving in my folder with name del6.py. extension will be added automatically. Okay, program is saved. Click on run module. So let's split the screen. Okay, you can see the execution. Okay, execution part is done. Here test MAE is 0.330 and test RMSE is 0.3910. Let's minimize it and let's check for this output. Here the accuracy of, that is result of VTU circle, is 0.2083 and RMSE of 0.2570. So this ends our program, execution of sixth program. Let's meet in another program, that is lab 7, in next video. Thank you for watching.